Our universe is filled with mysteries, from the vast expanse of space to the intricate workings of the tiniest particles. There's always something new to discover. Today we journey into the heart of a living cell, a microscopic world teeming with activity. Our destination, the cell nucleus, the command center of this bustling metropolis. Imagine the cell as a bustling city. Like any well-run city, it needs a central hub to coordinate its activities. That's where the nucleus comes in. This spherical structure acts as the cell's brain, housing its precious genetic material and directing all its operations. Without a nucleus, a cell would be lost, adrift in a sea of its own cytoplasm. It wouldn't know how to grow, how to function, or how to reproduce. The nucleus is essential for life, serving as the cell's library by housing DNA, the blueprint for life. Let's delve deeper, and zooming into the intracellular structure, particularly the nucleus, we find the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, the genetic blueprint of life. DNA present in the nucleus in two forms, chromatin and chromosomes. Chromosomes are the condensed, highly organized form of chromatin, a complex of DNA and proteins, primarily histones, which together form the molecular structure that carries our genetic information. Chromatin appears as a tangled mass of thread-like structures found in the nucleus. Encasing the nucleus is a double-layered membrane known as the nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope. Its primary role is to package long strands of DNA into a compact structure that fits within the nucleus. Think of it as the city walls, protecting the nucleus and regulating what enters and exits. During cell division, chromatin condenses and coils tightly to form distinct structures known as chromosomes. This compacted state ensures the accurate segregation of genetic material into daughter cells. Nestled within the chromatin network is a dense spherical region called the nucleolus, often regarded as the cell's printing press. Within this hub, the cell produces ribosomes, tiny molecular machines responsible for assembling proteins, the essential workhorses of the cell. Once assembled in the nucleolus, ribosomes are transported out of the nucleus and into the cytoplasm, where they become fully functional. Now, let's talk about DNA, the star of the show. This remarkable molecule holds the key to life's diversity and complexity. Imagine DNA as a long, spiraling ladder. The rungs of this ladder are made up of 4 different chemical bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, often abbreviated as A, T, C, and G. These bases pair up in a specific way. A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. This pairing forms the genetic code, a language that dictates the production of proteins, the building blocks of life. During translation, ribosomes decode mRNA to synthesize polypeptide chains. This process involves the ribosome facilitating the binding of tRNA to the mRNA template, ensuring the correct sequence of amino acids is added to the growing polypeptide chain. Upon encountering a stop codon on the mRNA, the ribosome halts translation, releasing the synthesized polypeptide chain, which then undergoes folding and potential modifications to become a functional protein. The nucleus safeguards this precious DNA, ensuring its integrity. When a cell divides, the DNA within the nucleus replicates, passing on a complete set of genetic instructions to each daughter cell. This process ensures the continuity of life. From its central location, the nucleus directs the cell's every move. It's like a conductor leading an orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays its part in harmony. The genetic information stored within the nucleus dictates what proteins the cell produces. These proteins, in turn, carry out a myriad of functions, from transporting molecules to catalyzing chemical reactions. The nucleus also controls when and how a cell divides. This regulation is crucial for growth and development, ensuring that cells divide only when needed. Uncontrolled cell division can lead to diseases like cancer, highlighting the importance of the nucleus's regulatory role. Understanding the nucleus is fundamental to understanding life itself. It's the control center of the cell, housing our genetic blueprint and orchestrating the complex symphony of life. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the nucleus, we gain a greater appreciation for the elegance and complexity of the natural world.